Admittedly, I had to come out here, shovel, finish off what was left down there all piled up. Yarbo was unfortunately beat by weather conditions. What happened here was several days of 60-degree weather with a rapidly plummeting temperature overnight. When the snow fell, it began to melt and turn into slush as soon as it hit the pavement or the concrete here. So even though it's 15 degrees out, whenever I was operating Yarbo, the snow had already turned to sludge, and you can see that it has heavily caked inside the unit. Not even going to attempt to clear that out, just going to let Mother Nature take course and melt that away in the next couple days as we warm back up to 60 degrees. This is no fault of the unit. This is purely weather conditions and free temperature change from 60 degrees to 15 degrees overnight, and the ground not having a chance to cool down before the snow came. So something to be aware of.